Whether you want air to blow through your scalp on a sunny day or you want to put a wig on, this cornrow is for you. Look at me going from this to this with no gel, no edge control, and it still came out great. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cornrow your own hair. And the materials are white tooth comb, rat tail comb, hair clip, elastic or hair tie, another hair clip, spray bottle, and your hair oil for shine. Now let's head to the bathroom. So this is where we are going to make the hair, my bathroom. So I have a mirror in front of me and behind me, and to some people that have superpowers that they can make their hair without looking at the back, kudos to you. But for me, I can't do that. And if you are learning how to make your hair, you definitely need two mirrors, one in front and one behind. And I'm going to start with spraying my hair with water, to add moisture to it so that it will not break off while I'm sectioning it. And we'll go from there. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let me know your thoughts below as well. Thank you so much for watching. After adding moisture by spraying water on my hair, I use a rat tail comb to divide my hair into manageable section, starting from the front to the back. And that's why I use the mirror so that it will guide me. And after sectioning one side, I tie up the rest with my hair tie or elastic, and then start to detangle. And when detangling your hair, you start from the bottom to the top, and I keep detangling it and adding more moisture to it, and then I'll add my oil for shine, and then I'll start braiding it. To start braiding your hair, you have to select a small section of your hair at the front and divide it into three, like what I'm doing. And then you cross the right strand over the middle, followed by crossing the left strand over the new middle. That means that you'll be adding hair as you are braiding, just like what I'm doing. Taking the right strand, that one, over the middle, followed by crossing the left strand over the new middle strand. So you're going to repeat this process a few times, and practice, they say, makes perfect. Also, as you are adding hair, you have to put a little tension on the hair for neatness so that it will come out very, very beautiful, not loose. And of course, it shouldn't hurt your scalp. So a little tension for neatness, not the type that will make you not to sleep at night. Of course, you are making your own hair. You will not do that to yourself. Just like this, not too tight and not too loose, just right. I hope you can see it very well. But I just want to say that for this hair, I'm just going to divide it into 7 sections. And they are going to be a little bit big, not tiny cornrows, but big, bold, and beautiful. So I'm done with the first one. I will do one more slowly. Once again, I section using my back mirror. the mirror in front and also the one at the back. So here I'm repeating the same process. Divide the hair into the section that I'm going to use. Spray it with water for moisture to be able to comb and detangle. Sometimes I detangle it in two if they are too big for me. Trying to be gentle with my hair so that it will not be breaking off. And then I'll start braiding. I add oil, or sometimes I feel there's oil on it, and I start braiding. Once again, you take a small section in the front of your hair and divide it into three. Cross the right strand over the middle, followed by crossing the left strand over the new middle. And the new middle is by adding hair to it. Adding hair as you go, and try to have a little bit tighter grip on it for neatness, like the way I'm doing. Taking it slowly. If you are a beginner, take it slowly and pick up the pace as you go. I hope my explanation makes sense, and let me know in the comments if my explanation is easy and simple to understand. Like the video. Thank you so much for watching. So this is it. I hope my explanation is clear and the way I pass the hair from one hand to the other. So I'm gonna do this, one very fast. I'm gonna do this side very fast, and we'll go from there. So I repeat the same process. Part my hair into manageable section and spray water for moisture and add oil to it. Then I detangle for easy flow. So if you are still watching up to this time, thank you so much. This side is just, to show everyone that I make my own hair from start to finish, using the mirror in front of me and behind. And since I went natural, I've been making my own hair, and it's over 5 years now. And I love taking care of my hair, and it has also helped me to manage my own hair, and it's beautiful. In making my own hair, I know how it feels to make my daughter's hair. So being natural is like a blessing, so that I understand how it feels like. And also, you don't really need age control or gel to make it neat. You can just cornrow your hair without it, and it still comes out great, because it's not everybody that likes using gel on their hair. And to people that don't like using gel on their hair, I believe that this will encourage you to make your own hair without adding gel, because sometimes when I put age control in front of my hair, in the front, It's always too sticky, and sometimes I struggle to grab the strand of my hair because of the stickiness of the gel. I don't know if you have experienced that yourself. So once again, thank you so much for watching. This is how I beautify myself. I make my own hair, and over the years I have made progress. I didn't know how to make hair before until I had daughters, and I started making their hair. From there I started making my own hair. And if you are just starting out, don't be in a hurry. Just keep trying, and with practice you're gonna make a lot of progress. Corn rolling improves with practice. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Almost done. Towards the end of my corn rolls, I usually do a twist so that it will be easy to unravel when I'm loosening it. All done. Isn't it beautiful? I came outside to show you the beauty. So this is how I'm gonna rock my hair. I don't wear wigs, so I love rocking it like that. Natural, beautiful as well. Thanks for watching. So I love it. I'm doing a little dance for y'all.